Do you hesitate to speak English in front of others even when you know the answer and you stay quiet? Let's change that today. Hello everyone, welcome back to English with Kirion. Today, I'm going to teach you a simple technique called the echo technique. This method helps you start speaking instantly without any fear. Here, I will tell you how it works. When someone asks you a question, repeat a part of the question before answering. For example, someone asks you a question. Do you like coffee? You can say, do I like coffee? Yes, I do. Actually, I enjoy it a lot. See what happened? That small repetition gives you the time to think and help you start speaking naturally. Let's try one more. When someone asks you a question, what are your plans for the weekend? You can say, my plans for the weekend? I am thinking of relaxing and spending time with my family. Simple but powerful, right? Here is the insight. You don't need to respond instantly. You just need to start confidently. Now, let's add some advanced expressions. Instead of thinking or saying, I think, you can say, I suppose. Instead of saying, maybe, you can say, there is a good chance. Instead of saying, I want, you can say, I am planning to. These expressions make your answer more confident and natural. Some tips for you. First, repeat a part of the question. Second, take a second to think. Third, give a simple answer. With practice, your hesitation will disappear and your confidence will grow step by step. To sum up, don't stay silent. Echo and speak. Try this technique today and tell me your experience. This is English with Kirio. Thank you for watching this video.